How to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app, then go to Settings. Navigate to Security and Login Settings. Then in the left-hand menu, click on Security and Login. Scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section. Click on Edit next to Use Two-Factor Authentication. Facebook offers several options for two-factor authentication such as authentication apps or text message codes or security keys. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once you've selected your authentication method, Facebook will guide you through the setup process. This typically involves verifying your phone number or setting up the authentication app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Now, whenever you log in from an unrecognized device or browser, you'll be prompted to enter a code from your chosen authentication method in addition to your password. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching.